number one.
Okay, so the way that Brussels Hustle works is I'm gonna give you a base recipe, and then we're gonna add things to it along the way.
Gotcha.
So you can start with just the base, which is my easy orange roasted Brussels sprouts, okay?
Gotcha.
So it's just Brussels sprouts that have been shaved with a knife, or you put them into your little food processor. You get a little bit of orange zest over the top.
Madame.
Which I'm gonna do right now. You're gonna add in some olive oil if you want, about a teaspoon or a tablespoon or so. Salt and pepper, that's it. This is my favorite, and you wouldn't imagine the word salad is in the title. This is my roasted Brussels sprout and pear salad.
Yum.
Everything the same. We're gonna add in 2 pears that you chop down. Leave the skin on, it's the holidays, we don't have enough time. And then we're gonna put in some pumpkin pie spice, and then I take some pecan halves, I get out of my freezer, and I twist them. Just twist them. You're not chopping them, just twist them.
Twist.
Or just put them in your hand and get real, you
Or.
know what I'm saying? Toss that together, 425 in the oven. Gonna toss over some cranberries that are from your pantry that are dried, and now to the final one.